How to add someone in Telegram with username. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you only know a person's username on Telegram and want to add them, what you're simply going to do is, first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device. After you do that, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see the search icon. Click on it, then search the username, or if you've copied it, paste it. Then you'll see the person you've searched. Just click on their name. After you do that, go to their name or on their profile picture, which is over here. After you do that, you will be presented with your information. So since I already have the contact of the person over here, I cannot add them again. But what you're gonna do is, in the top right corner you can see a three dot option. Click on it. Then you'll be presented with the option which says add contact. After you click on the add contact, you can add them on your contact. So this is how you can add a person on Telegram with only their username. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.